Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to attach a document to a page, blog post, or email in HubSpot. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's marketing tools and features. After you're logged in, look over at the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Marketing to expand the marketing options. This section contains all the tools you need for creating and managing your content. Once the menu expands, click on Emails. This will take you to the email editor where you can create and modify your email campaigns. Now you'll see a list of your existing emails. Click on the email where you want to attach a document. This will open up the email editor so you can start making changes to your content. The email editor is where you'll be working to add your document link. Once the email editor loads, click on a section within your email where you want to place the document link. After selecting the section, highlight the text that you want to turn into a clickable link. This could be something like download our guide or view the document or any other text that makes sense for your audience. Highlighting the text is important because it tells HubSpot exactly where you want the link to appear. With your text highlighted, look at the toolbar at the top of the editor and click the link icon. This icon typically looks like a chain link symbol, and it's what allows you to attach files or URLs to your selected text. Clicking this will open up the link settings. In the link settings that appear, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Link To. Click on this drop-down menu and from the options that appear, choose File. This option specifically allows you to attach documents rather than linking to a web page or another type of content. Selecting File is what enables the document attachment feature. Next, click on Select a File. This will open a new window where you can choose which document you want to attach. You have two options here. You can either choose from files you've already uploaded to HubSpot, or you can click Upload to add a new file from your computer. For this example, let's choose from the uploaded files that are already in your HubSpot account. Browse through the list and click on the file you want to attach. After selecting your file, click Insert. This will add the document link to your highlighted text and close the file selection window. Your text is now a clickable link that will allow recipients to download or view the document you've attached. And that's it. You can repeat these same exact steps to attach documents to pages and blog posts in HubSpot as well. The process works the same way across all these content types. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.